once again to my channel Smart Schooling. Today we will start second chapter which is very important in history of class 10th, that is nationalism in India. What is nationalism? In Hindi we can say that Rashtravad. Nationalism in English we say that nationalism is a process in which people gather all the people gather to oppose or suppress a political situation which were created to betray the people. Now in starting, the people of India had been fought over in the First World War and Khilafat and non-cooperation. Starting from the First World War, it created new economic and political issues which were created hardships to the people in 1913 to 1918. It simply says that the economic duties means they put pressure on the economy of India. Second is custom duties were raised and income tax introduced. These are some reasons or the causes. These are causes of the First World War on the Indian people. Custom duties, many more duties were raised for the Indian people, and the income tax, it means that the tax was higher and the tax was increased. Poverty and forced recruitment made people hostile towards British. It means that hostile मतलब झुका देती है. जो पॉवर्टी है, वो गरीबी, वो इंसानों को ब्रिटिश की तरफ झुका रही थी. फूड शॉर्टेज, खाने की बहुत सारी कमी हो रही थी. फेमाइन मतलब आपातकालीन स्थिति आ गई थी. द आइडिया ऑफ सत्याग्रह. फिर हम महात्मा गांधी की बात करेंगे. सत्याग्रह क्या होता है? सत्याग्रह इज अ मेथड ऑफ मास एजिटेशन, मतलब एक ग्रुप पीपल का जिसमें सब ट्रूथ की अपील करते हैं, मतलब ट्रूथ के लिए सहायक, ट्रूथ को बढ़ावा देते हैं. महात्मा गांधी अराइव्ड to India on 9 January 1915 from South Africa. He went to South Africa to make a degree of barrister, and after reaching to India on 9 January 1915, he launched first mass agitation program, which is Satyagrah. He organized 3 Satyagraha in India. First was 1917 Champaran, which was against oppressive plantation system. It was first Gandhian mass movement in India, and it was first Satyagraha also. 1918 then Kheda, due to crop failure and epidemic renew. And third was in 1918 Ahmedabad, cotton mill workers were demanded increase in wages and bonus. It means that in these all cases people were oppressed or legally destroyed by the British government on their works. After Satyagraha, act was passed which was named as Rowlatt Act. Now 1 mark question or 2 mark question comes in exam, that what was Rowlatt Act? Simply you have to write that Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919 by British government despite the opposition of the Indian members, or despite opposition of British members. It gave enormous power, मतलब ये बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में पावर देती है किसको? गवर्नमेंट. और तब की गवर्नमेंट कौन सी थी? कॉलोनियल गवर्नमेंट टू रिप्रेस एक्टिविटीज एंड अलाउड डिटेंशन फॉर 2 years विदाउट ट्रायल, मतलब बिना कोर्ट में ले जाए गए उनको, भारतीयों को जेल में डालने की अनुमति दे देती थी. 6 अप्रैल गांधी जी स्टार्टेड. ऑन 6 अप्रैल 1919 को गांधी जी ने CDM या फिर सिविल डिसोबीडियंस, मतलब जिसमें वो किसी भी बात को मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे, और उन्होंने एक स्ट्राइक चालू कर दी. गवर्नमेंट ब्रूटली रिप्रेस नेशनलिस्ट. गवर्नमेंट ने नेशनलिस्ट को पकड़ लिया. जनरल डायर ने तब कमांड ली थी और मार्शल लॉ को इम्पोज किया था. 13 अप्रैल, ये डेट आपको याद करनी है क्योंकि ये 1 mark क्वेश्चन में बहुत बार पूछी जाती है. जलियांवाला बाग मैसाकर. इन दिस हत्याकांड, और वी कैन से दैट मैसाकर many people were killed by the General Dyer, and they General Dyer closed the door and told the General Dyer closed the doors of the Jallianwala Bagh and uh, told all the army persons to shoot or fire upon them. And in WWI, Ottoman Empire had a खलीफा. इसके बाद खलीफा मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ. खिलाफत कमेटी बनाई गई मार्च 1990 में बॉम्बे में. September 1920, Calcutta session. Gandhiji with Muslim brothers Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali started a non-cooperation movement in support of खिलाफत एज वेल एज फॉर स्वराज. मोहम्मद अली और शौकत अली दो मुस्लिम ब्रदर्स थे. उन्होंने एक कमेटी बना दी और गांधी जी ने उनका साथ इसलिए दिया ताकि वो इनका बाद में साथ दे. थैंक यू. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. नाउ वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक you for the support. Like, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to comment.